establishment that makes wax figurines. And the nice thing about it is they're going to make a wax figurine of me! And I haven't done anything good. All I do is say, "Bye, she's bank-tidy." Look at the nostrils on burnt coffee.
They've been waiting for that.
Holly will have been there. Yeah, I ain't done much, but I really appreciate you having me here.
There's one more very important duty. You see this antique here? You see this antique?
Is that real? There's not a man in a bush that actually does it on.
There might be a man in the bush, but that's another story. Now,
Before I turn that light on, can I turn myself on?
please do.
Turn myself on.
Let's see this, ladies and gentlemen. There has been some forward planning in the Lemon household. He is now going to his jacket, and he is illuminating the lapel and the collar on his jacket. It could almost be Freddie Mercury. But it's Keith Lemon now. We're going to count down from 10, ladies and gentlemen.
I borrowed this jacket from Jedward.
Never let him have it back.
Do you think Jedward are going to win Big Brother?
We are going to count down from 10.
Okay.
And then,
What is it, just like a sort of a pulling action?
I saw what you did there. Luckily this is a radio show. It's a pulling action. Right. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to light Blackpool 2011. The man with his hand at the controls is Keith Lemon. In 10, 9, 8,
Hello? Yeah, it's Keith. It's Keith. So it's Keith. Ma'am, you know who it is. You phoned me. I'm busy right now. I'm turning Blackpool lights on. Yeah, I know they wanted David Beckham, but I lent him my Costco card. He's busy buying beans for scouts. Yeah, there's a charity thing. Yeah, having a bath in beans. I'm going to have to leave you, I'll tell you. Look, just listen to this. Thanks, Harvey! Yeah. Say that again? Instead of rude thing, I won't repeat it, because there's children in the audience. I'm going to have to go, Mum. Alright then, sorry. Pull this up now. So you can't back this again. Let's go. Wait, what number were we at? We're at 8! 8!